So if you are wondering how people make money on the internet when Ethereum, Solana, Bitcoin is going up, this is how they are doing it. I'm going to use a strategy and show you how to do it. So the first step that we need to do is to at least have $5 in our Binance account. Once you have $5 in your Binance account, what you can do to start earning money while you sleep is just click on the home button on Binance, right? When you click on home button on Binance here, then you are going to click on auto invest. Okay, I'm sure you can see auto invest. You click on auto invest now. Now when you click on auto invest, Binance is going to give us token that we can invest money in. So we are going to set it up either using 1 hour time frame, 2 hours, 5 hours, 24 hours. Anytime the time comes, Binance is going to take our money and buy these tokens for us. If you observe, these tokens that I invested in the last time, they made me a profit of $2,520. I'm sure you can see it now. So what we can do to start earning money is to just click on the subscribe. When we click on the subscribe, you can see now we have Bitcoin, XRP, Solana, ADA, we have Chainlink, we have BNB, and I'm buying 10% of all of the tokens that is currently listed here. So now we need to enter an amount that we want to invest in this token. And when you invest that amount, every 5 hours or the time interval you use, you are going to start earning profit from it. So now if you do this and anytime Bitcoin start rising, you also start earning commission. This way you can make money even when you are sleeping. So now we have auto invest. So on the auto invest section, right, we click on the amount that we want to invest in this coin. So let me just put my phone on do not disturb. Yes. So now I'll enter the amount that I want to invest in. So I can enter an amount of $5. So I'll change the time frame. So the time frame means daily. So I can you see the time frame here? I'm sure you can see the time frame. So I can decide to change the time frame to every 12 hours. So if I change it to every 12 hours, Binance is going to convert USDT into Bitcoin, XRP, Solana, ADA, Chainlink. So now you don't have to put money into your Binance account and invest in a particular coin. Once you read or do your own research about a crypto asset or a crypto project, you just come to the Binance Auto Invest dashboard, right? Then you just enter the amount that you want to invest in. But make sure you have that amount more than it in your Binance account. So right now I have $503 in my spot account. So meaning I can even decide to invest $10 or $20 every 12 hours. This is how we accumulate crypto tokens and make passive income. So if you observe, I change the time interval to 12 hours. So meaning every 12 hours, I'll be purchasing 5 USDT and I'll divide it into Bitcoin, XRP, Solana, ADA, Chainlink, Ethereum, BNB, TRX. So all I need to do is I have to just deposit money into my Binance Spot wallet. And every 12 hours, Binance will use this money and buy these tokens down for me. So if these tokens are increasing in value, my money also increase in value. And anytime that the price of these tokens are also increasing, I also get profit from it. So I can click on the next button here. So when I click on the next button, you see they are asking me whether I want to use the money in my Spot wallet, my Simple Earn, or my funding wallet. Right now, I'm using my Spot wallet. So any money that goes into my Spot wallet and is USDT, when the time comes, every 12 hours, Binance is going to use this money and invest in the tokens that I've selected. This is what we call auto investing. You are automatically investing money into this appreciating asset. And let me tell you guys something. Last year, by this time, Bitcoin was around 50,000 to 40,000. Imagine now, at the time I'm recording this video, Bitcoin is currently $108,228. So even if I was investing $12 or just $1 or 5 USDT into Bitcoin alone, imagine the profit that I've made. And you guys have just seen that on this auto investing we have made over $200. So if you want to earn passive income, you want to just wake up and check your phone and your money have quadruple increase, do not go and deposit money into any website, even Binance. When you are depositing money into Binance, make sure you are not depositing all the money that you have saved up. So I can click on confirm here. When I click on confirm, I'll just click on agree. Okay, agree here, then I'll click on confirm. So you can see I've successfully set up auto investing on Binance. So now I'll be earning passive income. Anytime the market increases, I also make profit. But you need to understand this, that when you are investing money, there is a chance of you losing your investment. So if Bitcoin goes to zero today, the money that I've invested into buying these coins will appreciate. But at the end of the day, we are just taking risks to make profit. So if you want to earn passive income without investing in any website, you can use Binance, or you can even get a MetaMask wallet, or you can get Phantom wallet or Trust wallet. I did a video on how to buy tokens with a contract address. So if I want, I can just open my CoinMarketCap, right? Let's say I want to invest in Bitcoin. I can open my CoinMarketCap here. Then I'll type in Bitcoin. Maybe my friend said Bitcoin is going to $1 million. So I have some $100, or I have some $20 or $10. I want to invest in Bitcoin. So what I'll do is I'll enter the name of the token on CoinMarketCap, right? So we have Bitcoin, enter the name, so we can see Bitcoin here. Now they are going to give us all the information about Bitcoin on this website. Then I can scroll down. Then when you scroll down, you come to the about section. Okay, have you seen an about section here? I'm sure you can see about section. So click on the about section. When you click on the about section, you scroll down to where they say chains. You click on Chains Explorer. We have it on blockchain. We have supported wallet. So with the supported wallet, you can buy it on BNB, Trust wallet. So if I want, I can click on Trust wallet here. So if I click on Trust wallet, I can verify, copy the Bitcoin network address, go to my Trust wallet, and simply buy Bitcoin on this website. So the same way we want to invest in XRP. So let's say we want to invest in XRP too. I'll just enter XRP here, select XRP. Now if I select XRP, I'll just scroll down until I go to about. So let's see if we can get the about section on XRP, market, yield, portfolio. Okay, we have the about section. So on XRP, we click on the contract addresses. When we click on the contract address, we have BNB chain. So I can copy this address here. Then I'll go to either my MetaMask or my Trust wallet. So we can just go to Trust wallet and swap our money to this coin. So if you are interested in earning passive income without having to buy tokens every single hour, every single minute, you can just use Binance mobile friendly app, set up the auto investing platform, and every hour, maybe you can set it every 1 week, every 2 weeks, every 3 weeks, every 7 hours, every 2 hours. You can see I just set up every 12 hours. So meaning every 12 hours, Binance is going to take the money and invest in this coin for me. So if you have any issues, you can send me a message on WhatsApp. We have a community where we are trading leverage and meme coins together. And sometimes when there is an opportunity to make more money through airdrops or the crypto market, I share it with my community members on WhatsApp. I will never send you a message first, and I don't do any investment. Please do not send money to anyone online telling you he's going to give you signals or quadruple your money. At the end of the day, they are going to scam you. Stay safe and see you in the next tutorial.